Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you my recipe on how to make homemade rough tops, a Trini favorite. So to make this, we're going to start with some softened butter in a bowl. Go in with sugar and we're going to whisk or cream that butter and sugar until it's light. Next I'm going in with some almond essence, some ginger powder, and enough nutmeg. If you guys smell rough tops, you'll know that that flavor in there is really potent. Next I'm going in with some yellow food coloring and some salt. I'm just gonna mix those ingredients to combine. And then I'm going to go in with flour. Now I'm switching to a spatula. And you'll think that you have too much of flour in here, but trust me, it's enough. Just keep mixing and you'll see the dough start to come together. Now I forgot to put in the baking powder, so I'm adding that in now and I'm going to fold that in. Once you fold it in, the dough will be ready to be scooped. So just make sure that you mix that really well so that it's well incorporated. But when you're making this, please remember to put it with the dry ingredients. Scoop the mixture. Now I'm using one small ice cream scoop to help me get all of them the same size. After I scoop it out, I'm just going to go on over it and take my spatula and open it out just a little, because this will need to open out a little when baking, but you want to maintain that rough texture on the top of the biscuit so that it looks like a rough top. This bakes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's light brown and crisp. So I hope you guys enjoyed my version of homemade rough tops. Make it, let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for requesting this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.